Hi, Doc Cecil Katapang here and welcome to Vita Health Talk. Halika at pag-usapan natin ang health benefits ng DHA sa ating katawan, lalo na sa mga panahong ito. Did you know that DHA is an omega fatty acid na napakabuti sa ating katawan? And here are the top 5 reasons why you should take DHA daily. The most important reason why you should take DHA daily is for mental health because it can fight depression and anxiety. It can improve eye health. DHA effectively reduces inflammation, consequently preventing cancer. DHA can also improve bone health, alleviate menstrual pain, and lahat ng marami sa atin nangangailangan, improve sleep. Sobrang daming benefits, di ba? DHA is actually naturally produced by our body. Pero for maximum benefit, it has to be taken from our diet, kagaya ng fish and some dairy products. Pero in life of fast food, parang mahirap nang makuha ang adequate amounts ng DHA para makuha mo ang maximum benefits nito sa ating katawan. Buti na lang ni Dr. Vita DHA, kuha mo na lahat ng benefits ng DHA sa ating katawan. FDA approved at of course, doctor recommended ang Dr. Vita DHA.